In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a location to your Shopify store. Step-by-step guide. Adding a location in Shopify helps you track inventory by place, manage fulfillment from different warehouses or retail stores, and set up options like local pickup. Let's walk through it together so you can get it right the first time. Start by signing into your Shopify admin. Once you're in, head to the home view to orient yourself. From there, look toward the lower left corner and open Settings. Inside Settings, find and open Locations. This page is where all of your existing places are managed. If you want to see the full list, choose All Locations. This is a good moment to check what you already have to avoid duplicates. Next, select Add Location. You'll land on a form to create the new place. Begin with the name field. Use a clear descriptive name you'll recognize later, something like Main Warehouse, Downtown Store, or Pop-up Market. Consistency helps when you run reports and assign inventory. Now fill in the address details. Enter the full street address, city, state or region, postal code, and country. Use the real, physical address of the location, especially if you plan to enable in-person pickup or list the site publicly. Accurate details ensure shipping rates, taxes, and pickup availability behave as expected. As you work through the form, you'll see highlighted sections guiding your attention. Review each one and complete any required fields. If you notice a setting labeled, "This location will be listed as a physical storefront in the Shop app," turn it on only if customers can actually visit this site. If it's a warehouse or a fulfillment center that isn't open to the public, leave it off. Take a moment to double-check spelling, the address format, and that you've used a distinct name. This will prevent confusion when you allocate stock or choose a fulfillment origin for orders. If you're just practicing or decide not to create the location after all, you can select Cancel to exit without saving any changes. Otherwise, once you've confirmed the details, the new location will appear under All Locations, ready for inventory assignment and fulfillment rules. A couple of quick tips before we wrap up. Keep location names consistent across your team. Use accurate physical addresses for anything customer-facing, and remember that each location can hold its own inventory levels. After creating the location, you can assign stock to it and update any shipping or pickup workflows tied to that place. That's it.